welcome to my channel and thank you to all my new subscribers. If you're not subscribed yet, please do so. So today we're going to be making chicken a la king, or as I call it, chicken a la princess. What's different about how I'm making it is it has no preservatives, no colorant, and no processed ingredients. So the ingredients that you will need is chicken. It should be breasts, cheese, and it should be grated, garlic, black pepper, peppers. I normally use yellow, green, and red to add color and flavor to the chicken a la king. Salt. I use pig salt because it's healthier than white salt. Coconut oil. I use that because it's also healthier than normal oil. Onions. And heavy whipping cream. So today I'm going to be having a guest. My dad.
Yes, I'll be joining the program today. We've been looking forward to joining Grace and doing this program with and help, especially as far as some cutting and chopping is concerned.
So Daddy's gonna be doing the chopping, and the reason I'm making him do the chopping is because I don't like chopping, and it's also very good to let an adult do the cutting because knives are very sharp. Over to you, Daddy.
Thank you very much, Grace. Okay, before we cut the chicken, you just need to remember to wash your hands to avoid passing germs. We will be chopping our chicken in fine strips. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, the rest of our chicken was already chopped. We put them aside. And now we can chop the onion. Thank you very much, Grace. One half will be enough for our recipe. Onion needs to be chopped fine so that it'll look nice. Okay, can put them aside. Okay, very nice. I think we're almost done. Good. I think that's all as far as the chopping is concerned. So we'll put this aside and we'll use it later. Yep. Thank you very much, Grace.
Welcome.
Yeah.
So now it's time for the cooking. First, you need to saute the onions and the peppers. I hate that sound. Thank you. Very good. Peppers coming up. So Daddy's gonna be helping me with the stove for this pot. Good now. So you have to stir till it is golden brown. And when it is golden brown, you must add the chicken, salt, black pepper, and garlic. Daddy can bring the
So you can continue stirring.
So as you can see, the chicken is almost ready, but we need to add some extra.
Spices. Yeah, we've got some spices with us, some Portuguese chicken, as well as some Louisiana Cajun from South Africa. We brought them specifically from South Africa. The American chicken is a little bit white, so we're gonna add a little bit of color and flavor to it. Okay, you're gonna stir it a little bit just to allow the spices to mix in the chicken. Looking good, huh, Gracie?
Yeah,
Sure.
really good. Now
Then from here, what are we adding, Grace?
we are adding the heavy whipping cream now.
Okay. Okay, a little bit more. That's good. Let's see how it turns out.
And we also need to add some cheese.
Okay, a little bit later, just let it mix a little bit better. You can add a little bit more cream, a little bit more. Okay. See. Okay. So what next, Grace?
We're gonna add some cheese now.
Mix it, and then we let it simmer for a while. Everything will melt, or cheese will melt. It's already looking great. Ooh, very nice. Just make sure that the heat is quite medium, low to medium, to avoid it burning. But it's looking great. Just the way Grace likes it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then we will just put the lid to allow it to simmer for a few minutes.
As you can see, the chicken a la princess is ready, and you can serve it with rice or mushroom like my mom. Over to you, Daddy.
Okay. There we go. A few more. Okay, can do here for the mushroom. Gonna put it on top. Looks great. Wow. Bit of cream. More here.
So this is our chicken a la princess. All thanks to Daddy for all the help. And please remember to like, subscribe, share, and try this recipe. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Bye, Grace.